This is the future of financial analysis. Whether you're new to data science or AI, this tutorial will help you use Llama 3 to analyze the Indian stock market to gain a unique advantage. Build your first AI agent to enhance your career with AI skills. Remember, AI isn't only for experts. It's for anyone ready to learn and apply it. With just a few lines of code, you can start making predictions and uncovering patterns that most people in the stock market are missing out on. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how you get AI-generated custom insights about the stocks you are interested in. We're going to install some key tools and libraries that will make the magic happen. Think of CrewAI like a team of intelligent bots working together to get things done. Each bot has its own job, and together, they finish tasks quickly and help each other, just like friends helping with a big puzzle. Now that we've set up our environment, we'll import our Grok API key. This key gives us secure access to its high-performance processing power for our project. Now, let's import the daily closing data from Yahoo Finance. We've created a function that gets daily closing prices for a given stock ticker, and we'll apply it to analyze Bajaj Finance. Now Llama 3 is a text-in, text-out model. This is how you can convert your data frame to text. Now we are going to create a pricing tool for our crew. The agent will use this tool to fetch the data of the given stock. This tool uses the function we created above. Let's initialize the LLM Llama 370 billion parameter model. Now, let's create our main agents. Starting with the customer communicator agent. This agent is an expert in communication, specializing in interacting with humans to identify which stock they're interested in. Second is the price analyst agent. He analyzes the historical stock prices, performs technical analysis, and predicts whether a stock's price will go up, down, or stay neutral. This agent uses the equity price tool we created above. Third is the writer agent. He's a skilled report writer with deep market expertise, tasked with crafting clear stock market reports based on the price provided by the price analyst. He's known for precise insights and a nuanced understanding of finance and economics. It translates complex analysis into simple, engaging summaries that make technical content easy to understand. Now let's define the tasks. In the CrewAI framework, agents and tasks are designed to work together to complete complex workflows through collaboration and delegation. The Get Equity task is the task of the customer communicator agent that will identify the specific stock that a customer is interested in. The Get Price analysis is the task of the price analyst agent. It pulls the historical stock prices, summarizes trends, and provides a future trend prediction. It uses the stock symbol from the previous Get Equity task. The Write Report task is the task of the writer agent, using the Get Price analysis data as context. It writes the report in the given format. This initiates the entire crew, starting with the first task assigned to the customer_communicator agent. The crew follows the defined process, with each agent completing its respective task one after another. As each task progresses, the agents collaborate and provide their outputs. Here the customer communicator will ask the human which stock he is interested in. So let's continue with Bajaj Finance. Here you can see it gets the historic closing prices for the given stock, and here is the final output. For Bajaj Finance, using just price data, here is the executive summary. It seems like it's been facing a bearish trend. Recent price as of the 10th of October are around 6,900 and will keep declining. The prediction is down. It calculates its moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, candlestick patterns, support resistance levels, and also the rationale behind it, so you can just reconfirm the analysis. Let's just analyze another stock. Say IndusInd Bank. I could see its price going down in recent times. Let's see what our AI crew derives. It gets its historic data by just its ticker. Each agent gives its respective output, and here is the final summary given by our writer agent. Here the AI says it clearly sees a downward trend. It shows its moving averages and the other indicators and derive a prediction for the stock. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards revolutionizing your stock market analysis with AI. The world of stock market is about to experience a game-changing shift. And now you're part of it too. By simply crafting the right prompts for your agents and tasks, you can unlock a new level of market analysis that was once only possible for the most elite experts. Be ahead of the curve by building your first crew and harness AI to its fullest potential. The future is here, and AI is driving it. As the world rapidly moves towards automation and intelligence, staying ahead with the latest tech is not just an option, it's a must. In the next video we'll see how do we create a Flask app for this, so we can deploy this app and can always get real-time insight. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.